Okay, you start by switching on. You switch it on from the side and then you wait for it to heat up the water up until here.
Does the water stay there automatically? Or you put in water?
It pumps in its water from here.
So where does it get the water?
You put clean water and you fill it above this minimum line.
So how do you fill the water? By opening this line?
Yes, you just open this part. But you separate it from, you grab down here with your hand and lift. Then you put it back, make sure it fits well.
When you say clean water, must be dispenser water, not
must be dispenser water, not tap water. So while waiting for this, how you know it's ready is when everything lights up. So now you see every button is lit up. That means you can now start making your coffee. But before that, I'm going to refill the milk. So to do that, see this latch here? Pull it out and it separates. When it separates now, the only thing you can make is without milk. You just remove it.
You need to shake it though.
No.
Pour it like that.
No, you just pour it. The milk doesn't have a minimum level, but it has a maximum. So you can just put a little milk. Close it back. And then make sure these align and enter. Once it locks back in, the lights will come up again. So next stage is for your coffee. Now to remove it, you twist to the left. It says it here. To lock, you turn right. To unlock, you go left. You twist to the left, bring out your filter. Make sure it's dry. Then so now you take this spoon. The spoon has a measured amount.
So where do you get the spoon? You record it now, have you?
No, that's not public information.
So I mean,
you pour it level, then into your cup.
but a small teaspoon can do this.
A small teaspoon will waste your time. So this side now, you use it to tamp it down.
Oh, how nice.
After tamping it down, just clean off the edges. And then put it in, and then you turn right, and now it's locked in. Now you take this, your cup. To use smaller cups, you move this up, and then you put, and you make sure the cup is under the spout for the milk. This is the milk spout, and this is where the espresso drops from. And then to make milk a foamy coffee, okay, now these are the buttons I explained. This button is for espresso, which is just coffee. You press it twice to make 2 cups worth of coffee. As press once for 1 cup worth, press twice for 2 cups worth. Then for this one, this one gives you milk. It gives a lot of milk with the coffee. All of them come with coffee, but this is for milk that has less foam. This is for extra foamy milk, this third button. This button is for manually straining coffee. it just gives coffee. You press it once to start it, you press it again to stop it. This is for milk. You press it once to start, you press it once to stop. And this last button is for cleaning. So that's cleaning the machine. I'll get to the cleaning in the next video now.
Okay.
So for this process, we're going to be making a cappuccino, which is a foamy coffee drink. That will come out after the milk.
It takes a lot of milk to do.
Yes.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Smells good.
And when you're done, all the buttons will light up and this bar will be full again, which means you're ready to make another cup.
I thought it's done like this.
Yeah, the coffee is done.
Okay, so you're ready to make another cup.
Yes. And this is
Is it hot?
yes,
very
this
hot.
is very hot. Everything is made hot.
Okay.
As you can see.
How do you do the love photo stuff?
Yeah, we don't do that here. That's something done manually. That's something done manually.